Good morning and welcome to the second virtual primary assembly. I know that many of you will be watching this on Monday morning, and if you are fantastic, you're ready for another brilliant week of learning in the virtual school or in school. Things certainly are strange at the moment. I've never experienced in my life anything quite so unusual in terms of the way that we're having to live. There are many things that we can't do in the normal way, so going out to shops and cafes is something we can't really do, or it's very different. We can't do clubs and activities that we would normally do in the same way, and we're not able to see friends as easily or in the same way that we would normally do. Some of these things thankfully are beginning to change now, but we have to keep staying safe and following the guidance that's being given to us. Because this strangeness is all about keeping ourselves safe and keeping those around us safe as well. But I'm sure during this lockdown that there have been many good things that have been happening as well. For me, learning new things is something that I've been doing. So I've learned how to make videos and post them up onto the internet. I've learned a few new pieces on my piano. I've also been doing things that I don't normally get time for. So I've been growing lots and lots of plants in this polytunnel that I'm sitting in now. And also taking time to read some really big books that I would never normally get time to read either. The other thing I've been doing is spending time with my family. I've been loving helping my two younger children with their learning in the mornings, and also phoning and video calling friends and family who are far away and who I'm actually speaking to more often than I might normally. So let's see what some of your teachers and teaching assistants said when I asked them to share one good thing about their lockdowns.
Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. So during lockdown I found that I've had much more time to really practice my handwriting and my love of calligraphy, and I get to use these beautiful coloured pens, and they're called brush tip pens. I hope you're all staying safe, and I'm sure I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye.
Ian here. I just wanted to share what I've been thankful for, which is the chance to grow my own vegetables in my garden.
I think my favourite has to be discovering new spots to walk in my local area.
My dog Izzy has really loved having everybody here during lockdown.
One good thing about lockdown is that I finally get enough time to catch up on my reading.
To have some time to appreciate nature and spend some time in the garden and grow some vegetables.
Hi everyone. I think the most important thing for me about lockdown has been that understanding that the little things really are those big things. Having the time to listen to each other, having the time to be with each other, having the time to understand each other. So yeah, that's what's been most important for me and what I've learnt most from lockdown. Take care, stay safe.
Hello everyone, it's Rosie here. I just wanted to share with you a video that I took while I was out walking my dog, seeing some beautiful deer that probably I wouldn't have been able to see if there'd been more people around. They'd probably be hiding in the trees.
Good morning. One of the things that I've enjoyed doing during lockdown is catching up on some of my own books. Really enjoyed reading the books for Year 5. We particularly enjoyed reading Warrior Cats. So everybody, keep on reading.
Hi everyone! The best thing about staying at home is spending time with my family.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all okay. My one good thing about having to spend a bit more time at home at the moment is that I get a lot more time to spend with this little one. This is my daughter Bridie, and we're getting to spend loads of time together at the moment, which makes me feel really happy.
One good thing is coming to work and seeing our friends.
Hi guys, hope you're all okay. For me, one of the most positive things I've been up to lately is just being really creative, doing lots of drawings, illustrations, and then seeing you guys follow along on some of the videos on Tapestry. That's been really cool. And also on my computer, just doing lots of like Photoshop work, like montages and silly pictures and things like that.
So this week, I'm asking you to share with everybody else one good thing about your lockdown. You can do this in exactly the same way as you did last week. Just send a picture or a short video, 5 to 10 seconds is plenty, sharing that one good thing with everybody else. You can send it to my email address, which should be appearing at the bottom of the screen right now. And if you can do that by the end of the day on Wednesday, I'll make sure that your one good thing goes into our Friday celebration assembly. Have a great week.